Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and we're going to take a quick look here. Just kind of course, monthly expiration is always about pins, right? So let's take a quick look at a few of them. So Priceline is pinned at 1,200 many times, and this time was no different. And this was up $10. It was a nice butterfly kind of a play, and Priceline always tends to be a pretty good monthly expiration one. And then for Amazon was interesting because we were looking for a pin. It was either at 425 or 430 because of the options. So what we did was just sold the 425, 420 put credit spread, and that ended up working. At one point, it's like it would have been easier, you know, psychologically, had that just pinned at 430, but it left us a little bit of excitement and drama into the close. And then Facebook actually had a lot of open interest at 80. I didn't play the pin on Facebook. It was just so strong the day before. I actually had puts on that and got stopped and was looking at it from there. And then, of course, we did do kind of a 5% chance play on Netflix where it might pin at 600. Plus, we did have those 575 calls. Well, it didn't pin at 600. It actually had a crazy move, but those 475 calls, we cashed those in. That was a pretty sweet way to end the Friday. So, or end the week. So now what is next for the markets? Well, we've got the S&Ps, which are just on the verge of a break. I mean, we've been trading sideways pretty much all year, but these squeezes here are just kind of gearing up. And so this is just something that's just like, all right, just sell put spreads, look for some opportunities to buy calls. My favorite stock right now is Tesla, just in terms of a short-term play. We've got, you know, if you look at like 78-minute charts, 39-minute charts, you've got them all over the place. I'm not looking for a big move. I'm just looking for a first move up to 253.86. So from an option perspective, there's plenty of room in there. So we got long options on that. And beyond that, I would just be careful. There's not a bigger daily squeeze here, though it is a weekly squeeze. But to me, 253 looks like kind of a roadblock. And then from there, I actually like gold, GLD. You can see we've got some squeezes there. To get actually accurate levels on this, I want to take a look at gold futures because we can get the voodoo lines there. And you can see that essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we failed 1218. Now we closed above it. And that actually opens up the door for some nice strength. Okay, so it's something that we like there. And from there, again, kind of the main worry for me on this market is the transportation index. And I just keep waiting for the day when it actually breaks this support level at 85.61 that it's held like to the penny on almost a dozen occasions now. And we've got a weekly squeeze setting up. So, you know, and we've got at this point, this is a bearish pennant or descending triangle, and we've got a weekly squeeze. So to me, the danger here in this market is that the transportation index actually fails in a major way, and then that brings down the rest of the markets. So does that mean we just load the boat short and pray? No. It means that in this kind of a market, I am not going to be 100% long. Ideally here, if we're just playing ETFs, it's like, all right, I'm going to be long spiders, and then I'm going to buy calls on the spiders and buy puts on the transports. And that's a good mix in this market. All right, got a lot to cover in the premium video. You guys have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.